The great Nelson Mandela once said, "It is in our hands to make the world a better place for others to live." Welcome to McCann Organics, where we empower communities, build greener futures in beauty. The problem McCann Organics is solving is simple, and that we are trying to solve the agro-waste crisis affecting cocoa farmers and then its improper waste disposal, its health risks, affecting the individuals in the environment, and limited economic opportunities for women in our various urban and rural areas. We are also tackling the rampant outbreak of malaria in Ghana. That's where McCann Organics steps in to turn these challenges into opportunities for lasting change. Our solution is simple, and that is through sustainable agriculture practices and direct partnership with farmers. We have drafted a solution that transforms cocoa pod waste into high-quality cosmetics and cocoa potash, an eco-friendly mosquito repellent, a circular solution that benefits both the environment and the communities we touch. With our impact so far, our journey is marked by achievements that echo our commitment to positive change. We have so far trained 25 women, of which 7 of them is working with us permanently. We have impacted 25 lives and indirectly impacted 52 lives. Our
Sesiana, one my cocoa pot ash, on my door, young Fabicia, and for so being about Wabrabo, so what tongue we man not only really get at home. Which I'm for so being never.
First, I banana or chamo sense a mobile or the cotton the bar scooter there. I didn't pongo not being free say Uncle Nasa and then Uncle no boy. Now, all quite see our uncle so and quite and no yak or the cotton the bunny scooter. That's in Pana or Bayer and Mampany. And I'm away. I know I am
Our product, a fusion of innovation and sustainability, have earned recognition by the Vice Chancellor of K University, Professor Rita Kosua-Dixon. Not only that, we became the winners for the IAU, which was a competition between K University, UCC, and Legon. Our way forward is that we set our sights on the future. McCann Organics is on a mission to be a global leader in sustainable cosmetics. We are expanding our product line, impacting more lives, and forging partnership that aligns with our value of innovation, sustainability, and empowerment. Join us at McCann Organics, where